And Gajser still may have something to say about it. Finished 4th in race 1. He's on the podium at the moment. But which order is this thing going to finish? Keeping an eye on Fevre as well. He is in 9th place, about a second behind Benoit Paturel. As Prado, not getting clean out of the turn, allows Gajser another shot at 2nd place. It was on this part of the racetrack in race 1 where it all went Pete Tong, shall we say. He's alongside him, but he's going to keep him at bay. Prado on the ropes. Gajser finding 2nd wind. Cairoli up to 4th. Jonas has found his way into 5th, and Bogas has dropped to 6th. That may have been a lap ago. Hurling's on the top step of the podium at the moment, on 45. Prado 44, Gajser 38. Fevre on 38 as well. So he needs 2 more passes. 3 if Gajser finds his way past Prado, maybe even more. But Fevre might be running out of time and options. Trying to switch things up. Trying to apply the pressure. A mistake there from Gajser costs him another couple of tenths. See that Cairoli at the bottom of the screen there, bottom of the screen. Now that he's got his way into 4th position, starting to dig deep. Jeremy Seaworth just set his fastest lap of the race. He's in 7th, but already too far behind to affect anything that's going on up here. Prado sails over the triple. A little bit of daylight between him and Gajser. But how long before that daylight disappears? Well, almost imminently. 2.3 seconds in the space of a lap. Setting the fastest lap last time around. Hurling's, that was the gap between him and Prado. Lap 11. Your race leader already over the line with a 51.620. Only a couple of tenths slower than the fastest lap of the race a moment ago. He's now 4.1 clear of these two. But Tony Cairoli still digging in. Fastest sector 4 of the race with 9.5 minutes to go. He'll be trying for a KTM 1, 2, 3 in the race. Fevre has found his way past Paturel with his fastest lap of the race so far. Gajser lost his right foot peg, got out of shape, managed to get it back just before he hit that crest. An indication as to how hard he's pushing, and look how Cairoli has bridged the gap to 3rd place Gajser. Gajser putting everything he can to close down on Prado, and all of a sudden the old man sneaking up behind him, going to nick 3rd away from the Honda man. And that would deny a podium for Gajser and may just give Fevre a lifeline for that 3rd step. Gajser has to find his way past Prado. Cairoli just suddenly lost a lot of time there as Gajser sets the fastest sector in sector 3. And he's all over the back of Prado once again. Once again, how much can Prado take of this? Says Gajser up the inside. Controls the line beautifully, takes over 2nd. Prado just gave him too much room to maneuver. A lap ago, it looked like 3rd was under threat as Cairoli was charging in. A lap later, Gajser is past Prado for 2nd. Watch this, Prado too far out. Nice line, can sweep in, but look, Gajser was there alongside him, controlled it, and that's all he wrote.